I'm Howard Phelps, HPE Channel Manager with Synergy Associates, a Tier 1 distributor who recently celebrated 20 years with HPE. From time to time, you may need parts from the HPE Replacement Parts Program. Synergy Associates is an HPE authorized distributor in the USA and Latin America. When you purchase HPE replacement parts from Synergy, you can be confident that the parts are certified HPE genuine replacement parts and not counterfeit, inferior, refurbished, or even stolen. Some of the dangers of using non-certified, non-genuine HPE parts are fire or electric shock, damage to your existing products, poor quality, criminal consequences, data loss, invalidates the existing product warranty, poor performance, or incompatible firmware. Don't compromise. Use certified genuine HPE replacement parts. All HP parts go through a disciplined quality and test process to ensure reliability. All are tested and shipped with the latest firmware to ensure optimal performance. And all are shipped with the correct kitting, including appropriate carriers and cables. Synergy helps customers reduce the risk and raise the level of assurance based on our years of channel expertise. By purchasing your parts from an authorized partner network, you can be confident you're always buying certified genuine HPE replacement parts. So I work with Synergy Associates. We've delivered value in the channel for over 20 years. We have an amazing certified sales and technical team at our corporate office and distribution center, and we can ship orders the same day. Please contact us with any questions and input. We'd like to hear your feedback. Thanks for your time and attention. Stay safe.